The case **N. R. Dongre vs. Whirlpool Corporation, 19965-SC-C-714, is a landmark judgment by the Supreme Court of India on trademark law, particularly concerning the protection of unregistered trademarks based on their trans-border reputation. Key details. Citation *19965-SC-C-714 Court Supreme Court of India Bench Justices S.P. Bharucha and K.S. Pariponan Date of Judgment 1996. Background. Parties involved Plaintiff Whirlpool Corporation, a US-based company manufacturing washing machines under the trademark Whirlpool. Defendant N. R. Dongre, an Indian entity that started using the Whirlpool trademark for its washing machines in India. Whirlpool Corporation had not registered the trademark Whirlpool in India but claimed that the mark had acquired a significant reputation globally, including in India, through advertisements, media, and trans-border sales. N. R. Dongre applied for registration of the Whirlpool trademark in India and began selling washing machines under the same name. Issues. 1. Whether an unregistered trademark with a trans-border reputation can be protected in India against passing off. 2. Whether Whirlpool Corporation could restrain N. R. Dongre from using the Whirlpool trademark based on its global reputation. 3. The scope of passing off in trademark law. Findings and decision. Trans-border reputation The Supreme Court recognized that a trademark can enjoy protection in India even if unregistered, provided it has a substantial reputation and goodwill in the Indian market due to trans-border activities like advertising or media exposure. Whirlpool Corporation demonstrated that its trademark, Whirlpool, had acquired a reputation in India through advertisements in international magazines circulated in India and limited sales. Passing off The court held that N. R. Dongre's use of the Whirlpool trademark constituted passing off, as it was likely to deceive consumers and dilute the goodwill associated with Whirlpool Corporation's mark. The essential elements of passing off, reputation, misrepresentation, and damage, were satisfied. Injunction granted The Supreme Court upheld the interim injunction granted by the Delhi High Court, restraining N. R. Dongre from using the Whirlpool trademark. The court emphasized that allowing the defendant to use the mark would cause irreparable harm to Whirlpool Corporation's reputation. Legal principles established. 1. Protection of unregistered trademarks A foreign trademark, even if unregistered in India, can be protected against passing off if it has a significant reputation and goodwill in the Indian market. 2. Trans-border reputation Global reputation spilling over into India through advertisements, media, or sales can form the basis for trademark protection. 3. Passing off doctrine The action of passing off protects the goodwill of a business and prevents misrepresentation that could confuse consumers. 4. Prior use not mandatory Prior use of the trademark in India is not a prerequisite for protection if the mark has acquired a reputation. Significance. This case was a pioneering decision in Indian trademark law, as it extended protection to unregistered foreign trademarks based on their trans-border reputation. It aligned Indian trademark law with international practices, particularly in the context of globalization and cross-border trade. The judgment influenced subsequent cases like Cadila Healthcare vs. Cadila Pharmaceuticals and reinforced the importance of protecting goodwill in trademark disputes. Note: for a detailed analysis or specific excerpts from the judgment, you may need to refer to the full text of the case, available in legal databases like SCC Online, Manupatra, or Indian Qanun. If you have a specific question about the case or need further clarification, please let me know.